Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Blitz where you can get your fix. Your host is me, Van Winkle's Ripple. I hope that today is going great for everyone. Monday is here. January 6th is a new week, so who's prepared for a bull run? That's all I know. I'm so over this little period of consolidation that we're going through, but it's ready and just about to explode. Last night, Bitcoin attempted a breakout, but the market makers held it down once more. XRP also attempted a breakout, but the market makers aren't prepared for the markets to blow up. But that day is coming, the entire market. Capitalization of cryptocurrencies is beginning to rise. A few weeks ago, we were hovering at 3.2 and 3.3. Now, we are up to 3.5, next is 3.75 and 4 trillion. And then the fun begins. Keep in mind that Bitcoin 100,000 is a huge barrier to overcome. After that, everyone is on a new all-time high at about 108. Then 125 appears in the blink of an eye. Our initial range for XRP breakout is between 230 and 250. Before we have that huge push up into the $3 region, we can make another run at 272 once that drops. The current price of Bitcoin is $99,082. In the last day, it has increased by 1.41%. Theoretically, I will arrive at 3,645. It has increased by almost 1%. XRP was up over 2% at $2.40. Overnight, both USDT and USDC dropped to 99 cents after losing their dollar pegs. For those who are curious, here is the XRP chart. When XRP entered its bullish breakthrough at the beginning of November, this is the breakout trend from that month. As you can see, we then began the process of consolidation. One huge chop zone is where we are. The top of the chart is, you got it, $2.72, while the bottom of the chop is approximately $2. Here we are simply bouncing back and forth like a ping pong ball. We're searching for that breakthrough. When will it happen? Okay, Q1. When is the question? Are we going to witness a pump before Gensler emerges and Trump takes office? Or will the pump be shown to us later? The question is that. The difficult question is that. I am speculating. The pump will be seen just before Ginsburg leaves and Trump takes over. Is it the case that we eventually transcend these ranges? Will they let Bitcoin operate at last? Because keep in mind that Bitcoin will rise first, followed by the alts. Guess what is the hash rate of Bitcoin? It recently reached an all-time high. Fascinating, huh? What do you suppose is happening here? What do you suppose they're preparing for? How come history continues popping up here, in your opinion? Bitcoin is on the verge of exploding. There are many people giving up on this bull run. I don't understand. I simply don't understand. Many people said that the top entered. That period in December? I failed to see it. Nowhere do I see a top. So far, I have not witnessed a single parabolic blow-off top. As of now, I have also not observed a 90% deep down retracement on any asset. The news that all of the currencies and other assets in the market are reaching new all-time highs is something we hear every day. Take a look at what we did yesterday. Since XRP has consistently been the altcoin and the cryptocurrency that ran last from 2017 to 2020, we know that when the top for the crypto markets is in, it's typically a pretty solid signal when XRP's top is in. SUI wouldn't have reached a new all-time high yesterday if that were the case and the top was in. These additional assets would no longer have double-digit pumping. For the enormous bull run that we are going to undergo and experience, everything is aligning and getting ready. Keep in mind that this is a two-part bull run. The corrective comes after the first section, which is this year's Q1. The second move, the parabolic blowout peaks, which many of you won't be around for, comes later in the year. And the cryptocurrency, will this be the beginning of a larger rally? I'm going to publish this. It claims that over the 97,000 mark, Bitcoin began a new recovery. The price is above 97,800 and the 100-hour simple moving average in the $500 zone. On the hourly chart, a connecting positive trend line is building with support at 97,800. Given that Bitcoin is hovering around 100,000, the pair may begin to rise above the $97,500 support zone, where we are currently. Bitcoin is going to crash any day now. The next major obstacle, we close above 102.5 at 102,500. Our goal is for 105 to be broken. At 108, we aim for the new all-time high. When you get a complete body closure above, it can't just be a wicket above once that's broken. We will observe 115 and 125 in the 108.00000 region. So quick before you realize it, the next big thing is going to be 150-175 altcoins will start to rise and will continue to do so. I am available for it. I've been here since 2017 and I'm prepared for this. People, XRP released a decent thread. I enjoy it. We will discuss it. He advises waiting for these 7 events before selling your XRP. So yet, only one of them has fallen. After Trump took office, the Ripple stablecoin RLUSD was issued at that time. That is about 14 days away from us. Gary will be leaving in 15 days and Paul Atkins will take over. The lawsuit for Ripple is nearing to a finish. I think that will occur in the latter half of Q1. The start of the alt season is anticipated to occur in the summer. Ripple cites the approval of the XRP ETF and a relationship with a major bank. The 2 largest ones on here, in my opinion. The case between the SEC and Ripple is formally concluded. After we finish that, we can move on to the ETFs. Institutions will invest in ETFs. Institutional funding will significantly increase XRP's value. The price of XRP increases as more money enters the market. That's how easy it is. For every asset, the more money that flows into it, the higher the item's price will rise. This year, everything is falling apart. We have been waiting for us XRP holders this year. We all deserve what is going to occur and what the price of XRP will eventually reach. Then pardon me, we. Get this clip. Claims that the calm before the storm is the stock market reaching all-time highs before the rate cuts. Overpriced markets won't hold when Trump returns and a significant correction is anticipated. Money will pour into commodities and blockchain technology like XRP and Central. Banks will lose control. To top it all off, there is a possibility that cryptocurrency may not be subject to capital gains tax, which would cause a significant amount of money to shift from the stock market to cryptocurrencies. When discussing the stock market and a significant drop over value markets. This will be the starting point since, particularly during this bull run, a lot of money will go from stocks to cryptocurrency, especially since they are aware that the big money is aware that ETFs are on the horizon. Additionally, they are aware that institutional funds enter when ETFs are introduced. As a result, you can avoid paying the 20%, 25%, or 30% tax on gains if you invest anywhere between 3% and 10% of your traditional stock holdings in cryptocurrency. Pay attention.